Hello, my little you. How is your day? Is it everything good? Is there anything that you want to share with mom? Should we make some buns bread that you love so much? For this buns bread, we need the all-purpose flour, water, yeast, and 1 spoon of sugar. It's easier for mom to use vegetable oil, but you can use butter as well. I'm not sure that when you will start to use chopsticks, but here you definitely can use chopsticks to mix your dough. So far it's pretty easy, right? If you feel your dough is not that smooth yet on the surface, then you can let it rest. Mom changed the bowl just because I'm making video. Take something that can cover the dough and let it rest 20 minutes. When the flour, water, yeast has been meet each other and talk to each other and try to cooperate to each other, I think this is much easier to knead again. Then you can just let the yeast do their work. You can let the dough rest there in 2 hours. Mom's tricks: if you don't like your working surface get sticky by the dough, then you can use some corn flour. It will save your working time so much. From this step, you need to knead the dough as much as you can. Try to push out the air from the dough. You can use the rolling pin to help you if you want to. This is pretty big dough, so I'm going to share it in 2. You can use scale to weigh the dough if you want to, but mom used to weigh it by hand. The left one is a little bit lighter than the right one. The Chinese way generally just knead the dough and firm the dough by hand, only because we want to save as much time as possible, then we don't have to dish much. Like here, I use my hand to brush the oil in the steamer. Put the dough into steamer directly and let it rest in 30 minutes. The next one, I'm going to use the Western way. Use the rolling pin to help me push out the air from the dough. Here you can see if you have the right amount of water and the right of 2, then your dough is not sticky on your working surface at all. Now you can start to roll the dough from one side to the other side. Roll it as tight as you can, but don't try to stretch or something. This is the way one day made loaf bread. Loaf bread, I mean. You can save your towel or plastic by put this steamer to each other and put lid on. Fill up water in the pot. Turn on the stove in the high heat. We steam the buns bread with high heat all the way. Attention here, you count the time after the water gets boiling. You can steam the 2 breads in the same time, but then you need to make sure the bread is small, then they get enough place to raise. Since mom is from northern China, I like bacon and kimchi very much. So I pre-fry the bacon and kimchi because later I'm going to use it on the buns bread and just warm it on the microwave. I make pretty much of the bacon and kimchi. Since we have so many buns bread, then we can enjoy it in some other day in the week. Since mom have work and then I do some other things like make YouTube videos, so I always like to cut up the buns bread, so I save some time and work. This is like everything you need to do in life. Always prepare. My little darling you comes back and help mom to prepare the breakfast. Mommy, here, there. Hello, hurry up. I can do it instead. Hello, give it to me. Give it to me. Hello, I will do it. You see, those two do not have butter on it. You need to do a better job. Are you sure you're working as a chef? I mean, I can do so much better than you. After we put all the bread with butter, then we put some cheese on. 2 pieces of bread take 35 seconds in the microwave. If you have more bread, then you need to take longer. Here is the reason why my daughters love this Buns bread so much. We put the rest of the bread with cheese on it in the bag, then we use it for breakfast. Should I show you how mom and dad enjoy this Buns bread? We love spicy food, so we put some kimchi paste on it. And we have the pre-made kimchi and bacon. We use the rest of the cheese that is no longer able to make it in these thin slices. I fry it in the frying pan with some vegetable oil. Place the Buns bread into the pan and have the lid on. You can see when they're ready. Food is ready, let's eat.